I'm now going to show you how to complete Lone Star 27, 1 through 5. Number 1, Roderick has a piece of paper in the shape of a triangle. If he snips off the corners, what new figure will he make? And I'm going to highlight that question. So he takes off these figures, and he has a new figure. Now I know that based on how many sides will give me the name of my figure. So I'm going to count my sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6-sided figure, therefore it is a hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. You can remember that because hexagon has an X in it, and so does the word 6. Amelia, let's look at number 3. Let's skip to number 2. Gavin has 2 pets. So Gavin has 2 pets. Nikki has twice. Twice means 2 times the amount. Nikki has twice as many pets as Gavin. Well, if Gavin has 2 pets, Nikki has 2 times that much. As many pets as Gavin. So 2 times 2 equals 4. Chase has 3 times, that's 3 times, multiplying by 3, as many pets as Nikki. So if Nikki has 4 pets, we need to multiply it by 3, and I get 12. Complete the table to show this information. Well, here it is. Nikki has 4 pets, and Chase has 12. Going back to number 3. Amelia placed some olives on a platter. If she divides the olives into 4 equal groups, how many will be in each group? Now I can actually work backwards. I know that we need to divide these olives up equally, and I know that they will get divided into 4 equal groups. I need to figure out how many in each group. Well, one thing that you can do is actually go ahead and separate them by 4s. So I'm going to count out 4, and I'm going to separate them. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another group. Now, however many groups I make will tell me how many will be in 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're left over with 4. So how many groups did I make that had 4 olives in them? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made 6 groups with 4. So that means that if I were to go through and make 4 groups, then there would be 6 in each of those groups. 6 times 4 equals 24. So I know that if I took 24 olives and I divided them up into 4 groups, I would get 6 olives in each group. So number 4, the table shows the number and flavor of candies in a bowl. We have 11 lime, 4 grape, 5 mint, and 1 cherry. It says, how many more? Ooh, I already know that I might be subtracting. How many more and then? Tell me to subtract. How many more lime and grape candies? Ooh, that and tells me to combine the lime and the grape. So lime and grape, I know that I gotta add these 2 together. How many lime and grape candies are in the bowl than mint and cherry? So again, I'm going to add these 2 together, and then I need to compare them to these guys over here. Now, when you're comparing, you are subtracting. And this will give me my answer in the end. Okay, well, let's go ahead and look at this. We have 11 lime plus grape, which is 4, equals 15. So far I have 15. minus 5 mints plus 1 cherry is 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. I have 9 more lime and grape candies than mint and cherry. Okay, last one. The dot plot shows the number of vacations that 24 people took last year. Each dot represents one person. So again, I see a graph. What do? Fill it in. I am going to count up my dots to tell me how many people went on 0 vacations, and 1 vacation, and 2, and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 people did not go on vacation. How many people went on 1 vacation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the same amount. 6 people went on 2 vacations. 4 people went on 3 vacations. 2 people went on 4. 1 person went on 5 vacations. What a lucky guy. 0, 0. It says how many people took 6 vacations. Go back to your dot plot. Here's 6 vacations. The number of vacations, 6. 0 people. How many people took more than 3? So we do not include the number of vacations. We do not include 3. We include more than 3. So we're looking at 4, 5, and 6 vacations. Let's see. We have 2 people, 1 people, 0, 0. That's 3 people took more than 3. How many people took fewer than 2 vacations? So we do not include 2. We can include everything that is less than 2. So we're looking at how many people took 1 vacation or 0. If we look back at our numbers, so we have 6 and 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. All right, that's Lone Star 27, 1 through 5.